Hey, it's Berta J. Come on back into my kitchen with me today. I want to show you how to cook quinoa. Quinoa. People pronounce it a lot of different ways, but it's quinoa. And it's a grain. It looks like little tiny seeds. If you've ever seen it, I don't know if you have. But in order to cook it, it's really, really simple. And what you do, first of all, is you take a cup. And it's really, the measurements are really easy to remember. 1 cup of quinoa to 2 cups of water. And you can adjust that up or down. You can do 2 cups of quinoa to 4 cups of water. If you go down, you can do 1/2 cup of quinoa to 1 cup of water. And so what I did is I measured out a cup of quinoa. And what you're going to do is, when you hear me say that I washed and rinsed the grain, all I did was pour it into here under running water in my sink, and I just kept moving it around with my spoon or with my hand. And you could see, like, sometimes like the water gets a little milky or it's a little dirty. Keep doing that until it's clear. Then after that, I just poured it on to this plate so you could see it. After you've done that, pretty much the work is done. You're going to take this and you're going to put it into 2 cups of boiling water, which I'm going to do over here. So now I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to bring it over here and I'm just going to put it in, and then I'll put it back on the stove, and it cooks for 15 minutes. And how do you know it's done? It's really strange. These little circles, after they're all cooked, after 15 minutes, and I'll show it to you, they get these little circular strings or something around them. I don't know how it happens. It's in the grain, but you'll know it's done because those little circular strings will appear after you've cooked it for 15 minutes. And that's all you cook it for, is 15 minutes, and it'll be done until all the water is absorbed. Okay, I'm done with cooking. It's been 15 minutes. Bringing it back. Whoa! There's my quinoa. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. I don't have anything to put this on, but I just want to tell you that quinoa, for those of you who need to eat gluten-free, it's totally gluten-free. It's a gluten-free grain. Very interesting looking, I think, because you see these little round circles? That's how you know it's done. I don't want to say anything gross like it looks like little worms, but it kind of does. But it's just a grain. You can use this the same as you would use brown rice. You can make, on another one of my videos, I did red lentils. You can put red lentils over this. You could do just a stir fry of vegetables and throw it over this like you would brown rice. You could just put like parsley flakes and some tomatoes and maybe some Italian dressing, put a few scallions in there, mix that up. I've even seen and read where some people have used quinoa and they've sweetened it. So you could do that as well. But it's just a grain and it's really easy to cook. Don't be afraid of it. Just wash it and do exactly, I gave you all the instructions in the video. Just do that and then try it. I'm going to try it. Doesn't have any salt or anything on it, but I'm just going to try it. Oh, it reminds me of little tiny pieces of pasta. It is good. It is very good. So that's it. That's the cooked quinoa that you can use in your, let me know what you think of it when you try it. I want to hear from you. Berta J, I'm just not out here cooking for my health. For my health alone, I'm cooking for yours too. So you let me know what you think of it. And I will see you the next time. Bye for now.